Good morning, welcome back to the channel, friends. I'm at Spot X this morning and the wind is blowing southwest, which is not ideal. It's a bit lumpy and bumpy out there. The beach is looking pretty horrible. It's dead low tide or close to it. Very tempted to go down and look at Spot Y, but I did that last time and all I did was come back here and missed out on the waves I could have got by just going straight out. So I think I'm just going to go out here, go out on the reef for a paddle. Didn't go out yesterday because it was dead flat. Let's go surfing. You can see the rain is past that ship. You can see the rain is coming down out to sea there. I'm very tempted to try and get out onto this big rock. I'm not sure how slippery this is. Oh, it looks mega slippery to be honest, but I'm likely to get wet feet here. Super low tide, like normally this is underwater, the sunrise, but we're going on a bit of an adventure. Oh yes. Out onto the big rock. I've never been out here. Wow, this is pretty cool. My own private island. Welcome back, friends. Well, I've actually disregarded my own decision and decided to come down to Spot Y to have a look, mainly because it was so cold. Once again, let's go surfing. I don't know if you can see this. There's a little tiny fairy wren, or I'm not sure what sort of bird it is, sitting on my rear view vision mirror. And he's just been pecking at the window. Just checking me out. Look at him. And he's gone. There's a happy little dog on the beach. Lots of closeouts this morning. It's not looking particularly good, but it's smooth, it's sun shining. Just going to go out for a paddle, zero expectations, and see what happens. First wave. Oh, maybe. Woo. Woohoo. Got it. Woo. Huey. Give me one in. Oh, I think I'm done. Wow. Oh well, it's a Saturday morning. There's heaps of people out. I've had a couple of little waves. I've had a visit from a little bird on the window, on the mirror of my car. I can't complain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and you want to. Don't forget to do something every day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, there goes Ronnie. I think I might be getting the whitewater of shame. My whitewater of shame coming. This could be me, I think. Time for brekkie.